Crue. And today, we decided to make our day productive one.
We agreed to do things that will fulfill us as young individuals.
To show love,
Care, and respect to our Mother Earth. So without further ado, let's go! So, the first thing that we're gonna do is to follow the basic rules that we sometimes tend to forget, in which me and my crew members will pick every trash that we see anywhere.
So let's go! We are here at Alisay City Public Plaza to start our amazing goal.
So let's go! Let's get it! Let's do it!
Wait guys, it's not just enough to pick it. Let's segregate it.
Biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Recyclable. Biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Recyclable.
Even in simple ways like segregating, we are bringing great impact to our environment.
This can help beautify our surroundings and prevent flooding.
Protecting wildlife, plant life, waterways, soil, and ecosystem.
From toxic and dangerous chemical materials. So, let's proceed to our second goal. So we are here now at Villa Carmela Phase 2 to plant trees. Hi! Hello again! So we have here now our plants
Our seeds.
and tools for planting. And I guess we're all ready, so let's get started! Woo! And not only that, we also have here the Carabao, and we can use his dirt and use it as fertilizers for our plants.
So now, we've found a perfect spot to plant trees.
Let's go!
Tree planting is important because
Trees increase property value.
trees slow water runoff.
Trees help buffer noise pollution. Trees clean the air. Trees cools our homes, streets, and cities.
And trees prevent soil erosion.
Finally, we're done! It was tiring, but it's all worth it. It was indeed a good day to spend it righteously.
And we learn to appreciate the value of nature.
It was a great experience for us.
Doing small things like this is a very big help in our Mother Earth.
We also learned the responsibility by taking care of our nature.
And we've realized that even if we're just students, we can help the community to maintain the beauty of nature.
Doing this will serve as an example to everyone to also do the same. So don't forget to spread this video,
Leave a comment below
and like!